Good afternoon everyone, my name's Simon Turner from Northrop and Johnson. I'm absolutely delighted to welcome this beautiful Royal Huisman yacht Twizzle to the fantastic Singapore Yacht Show, and I'm going to let the expert Captain Gordon show you around the yacht.
Good afternoon, my name's Gordon, I'm the captain of sailing yacht Twizzle. Here we are in Singapore at the Yacht Show, and I'm going to show you around the yacht, so please follow me. So this is the aft cockpit where the main dining area is. It's a very nice outdoor area, lots of space. In colder climes we can close it off and we have heating to make it nice and warm. One thing in this boat in particular is there's almost 3 different areas for dining, so you'll see as we go through the boat. But this is the main one here, which is most often used. On the floor, obviously at the doors, there's a sensory switch which just has to be either swiped or touched, and then the door will open automatically. And then there's a sensory switch above which will keep the door open as a safety measure when you're passing through. And this is the main salon, very spacious again, all on the same level. And one particular design feature of this boat, if you come over this side, is you can actually see through the whole way, all the way to the bow of the boat, which is very uncommon for a lot of yachts. And this is the forward dining area. Again, it's either used as a casual place to sit, or this table can be adjusted to a full dining table for 8 or 10 people. Again, obviously the view is spectacular, especially when the boat is sailing and you have the water coming over the deck. It's quite spectacular to sit here and watch what's going on. Throughout the boat, of course, there's TVs in most of the areas, TVs in the computer system. We have online internet all the time, very high speed, so you can stream YouTube or whatever you want. Okay, here we are in the kitchen, or more commonly known as the galley on yachts. It's obviously a very important part of the experience when you're chartering a yacht of this size. We have a very highly professional chef on board who is able to create some wonderful meals and make the ambience of the holiday that extra special. Okay, so this is the bridge where we obviously control the boat while we're sailing or motoring. It's a very sophisticated, completely integrated bridge system. There's approximately 12 screens, and on the 12 screens you can bring up any or whatever information you want. You can have your radars, alarm monitoring systems to show you what's going wrong, if there's anything going wrong. And when we're sailing, there's a lot of systems used to control and tell us what's happening with the loads, which are obviously very high in this boat. Then we can go down to the guest accommodation. So this is the twin cabin, which is the smaller of the 4 cabins. Obviously twin beds. There's actually a Pullman bed for a 3rd person if you needed a nanny or something similar. And then moving aft, we are going aft. We have 2 identical double cabins. Again, obviously with ensuite bathroom. And then at the very aft of the ship we have the owner's cabin, which obviously is very spacious. It's the full width of the boat. And we have a walk-in wardrobe on this side, and we have the bathroom here. All done in very nice silk materials, handmade silk headboard there, etc. And this is used as the owner's study. He has his own office here, and also there's a bed if you have an extra person. And his own bathroom here, which is actually a sauna as well. And this is the aft deck of the boat, and this is the owner's cockpit, as we call it, which is a very nice feature which you don't get on many boats. A very nice private seating area. And obviously you can go straight down onto the transom, and from the transom obviously we have our swim ladder, so you can swim or use the toys, the dinghies we have, and use the water. flybridge, very comfortable area for the owners or guests. We have 2 stations here where we control the sails when we're sailing or just steering the boat. We have a barbecue, which is very nice in the evenings. It's a beautiful view, nice barbecue, and the tables come up again so you can sit around the table and have al fresco dinner. Or on the aft here we have the sunbeds if you want to lie down and enjoy the sun. Otherwise we have awnings full length of the boat, so obviously you get your protection from the sun if you don't want to see it. Statistics of the boat, yeah, she's 57 metres long. We draw 3.8 metres without the keel down, without the centreboard down. And when we're sailing, we put the centreboard down and then she'll draw 11 metres, which is obviously quite a large difference. But 3.8 metres for a boat of this size is actually quite shallow, which is great. That means we can get into small harbours or get close to nice beaches, whereas a lot of large sailing boats of this type have very deep keels and you end up being anchored miles away from the shore. So it's very advantageous to have a shallow draft. The wood, which is a very nice light oak material, has actually been specially treated by a company in Germany to make it hard wearing, and that's complemented by very nice painted lacquer and also a lot of very light materials, mostly which are made of silk, which make the whole ambience of the boat very light and airy and very pleasant to use.